New at 10 tonight, Fargo and West Fargo public school districts are now using rapid testing of staff members for COVID-19. And after 2 days of testing, 19 staff members are out that otherwise might not be. Valley News Team's Katie Opperly explains what this means for area schools already strapped for help.
We may find out that the more we know, the more we're not going to have staff to staff our classrooms.
Thanks to a partnership between the state's Department of Health and the National Guard, staff at Fargo and West Fargo public schools can now receive a free rapid test with COVID results in just 15 minutes.
The intent behind the testing is to be able to catch any asymptomatic carriers in our staff if we have any, and then to quickly isolate those individuals before there's any rate of spread. So I think it provides another mitigation strategy for the school district to utilize.
2 days in, Fargo tested a total of 312 staff members. 9 came back positive. West Fargo tested 400, 10 were positive. That's just the start. Staff will be tested 3 days a week through the end of the year.
The ability that, hey, we recognize someone that we wouldn't have known and we're able to isolate or quarantine them before they could spread that to someone else.
A good thing overall, but West Fargo Superintendent Beth Sleddy says staffing is already a big concern, and testing at such high rates, it's likely to get worse before getting better.
We may have to have that conversation about what point would you go towards a distance learning.
As testing of school personnel is just getting started, there are a lot of unanswered questions. But school leaders say any step towards slowing the spread of COVID within our schools and our community is a step forward. In Fargo, Katie Opperly, Valley News Live.
And we asked about the prospect of rapid testing students. West Fargo's Superintendent Sleddy says it is on their radar.